Welcome to Profit Path, your go-to place for financial success. If you want to protect your money, grow your wealth, and stay ahead, hit that subscribe button now. Today's video is crucial because we're talking about how to survive the next recession. Millions could lose jobs, businesses may collapse, but you don't have to suffer. What if I told you that most people won't realize a recession has hit until it's too late? Recessions don't come with a warning bell. They silently creep in, and by the time you feel it, your bank account already does too. But not this time. Because today, you'll learn how to recession-proof your life and money before it's too late. We'll talk about economic warning signs, financial strategies, and real solutions, so you can not just survive, but thrive. Stay till the end, because I'll share one powerful move that could put you ahead of 99% of people. If you're serious about securing your finances, smash that like button and let's dive in. Part 1. The History of Recessions, Lessons from the Past. Did you know that since 1854 there have been 33 recessions in the U.S. alone? That's one every 4.9 years on average. The 2008 financial crash wiped out millions of jobs and homes. The 2020 pandemic recession forced businesses to shut down overnight. But history tells us something even scarier. The people who suffer the most are those who ignore the warning signs. Think about it. Who survived the Great Depression? The ones who adapted. Recessions don't just take jobs, they wipe out savings, destroy investments, and increase debt. And yet, some people got richer during every single downturn. Why? Because they prepared. The question is, are you prepared for the next one? Because if not, the time to act is right now. What happened before will happen again. The only difference is whether you'll be ready. Drop a comment. What financial lesson have you learned from past recessions? Let's move on to what's happening today and why the next crash might be sooner than you think. Part 2. The Signs of the Coming Recession. What to watch for. Right now, the economy is flashing warning signals. Will you recognize them before it's too late? First, inflation is still high, and that means your money buys less every year. Second, interest rates are rising. Borrowing money is getting more expensive, which means more debt and bankruptcies. Third, unemployment rates are shifting. Layoffs are increasing in major industries like tech, finance, and real estate. And look at consumer spending. People are cutting back, which means businesses will soon feel the impact. Stock markets are showing signs of stress. Investors are moving to safer assets, fearing an economic slowdown. And the biggest red flag? Household debt is at an all-time high. People are relying on credit just to survive. The signs are all around us. The question is, are you paying attention? Comment below. Have you noticed signs of a recession in your city? Now that you see the warning signs, let's talk about the financial mistakes people make before a recession hits. Part 3. The biggest financial mistakes to avoid before a recession. When a recession hits, some people lose everything, and often it's because they made one of these mistakes. Mistake number 1, ignoring debt. High-interest debt will crush you when money gets tight. Mistake number 2, not having an emergency fund. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive? Mistake number 3, relying on one income source. When layoffs come, having multiple streams of income is your safety net. Mistake number 4, spending like nothing's wrong. People who don't adjust their lifestyle get hit the hardest. Mistake number 5, not having a plan. Hope is not a strategy. You need a real financial game plan. Mistake number 6, not investing strategically. Recessions create once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunities. Mistake number 7, ignoring your skills. The people who thrive in a recession are those who adapt and upskill. Are you making any of these mistakes? Be honest. Comment below. Now, let's talk about the steps you must take right now. Part 4, how to recession-proof your finances. Do this now. If you want to protect your money and thrive during the next recession, here's what you need to do. Step number 1, build a recession-proof emergency fund. Save 6 to 12 months of expenses in an easy-to-access account. Step number 2. Pay down high-interest debt. Reduce credit card balances before interest rates climb higher. Step number 3. Increase your income streams. Side hustles, freelancing, passive income. Start now before it's too late. Step number 4. Invest wisely. Look for opportunities in stocks, bonds, and real estate while others panic. Step number 5. Learn recession-proof skills. The more valuable you are, the safer your job security will be. Step number 6. Cut unnecessary expenses. Live below your means so you're financially flexible. Step number 7. Have a plan B. A backup plan can be the difference between struggling and thriving. These steps aren't optional. They are your lifeline. Which step will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Final words, don't wait. Take action now. Recessions don't destroy wealth. Being unprepared does. Now that you know the risks and the strategies, what will you do differently? If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more financial insights.